All right, what's up, y'all? This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and just showing you a closeout for the week on a couple of trades I took on yesterday, following the rules. And I told you guys to get the strategy, get our trading system with the strategy. G4 showed me exactly what I was looking for, dropped down to the 15 and entered right there. And now, because of this, let me kind of pull this screen down so you guys can see this. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And before I continue, for those who are always skeptical, as you can see, this is a live account, and today's date is 10/15/2021. Again, live account, 10/15/2021. So you can go back and check your own charts and see that we don't fabricate the charts. This was a good trade too. Dang, I missed that one to the downside, but I caught the right one to the upside. So that's 83 pips right there. Then let's go to GA. I caught that one as well. Same thing. Boom. Look at that. 62 pippers. Told you guys just something simple. I caught this one a little bit late. I should have caught it way down here, but that's okay. For those in the group, I know some of y'all did catch it further down, but it's all good. See how I caught it up here? I could have caught it way down here. And instead of 60 pips, let's say on this candle here, I could have caught it. Where is it now? Well, I have two positions, so that would have been 100 pips instead. So, but hey, still not bad. Still not bad. Then I caught this one here. Been waiting for this bad boy. Here we go. AUD, NZD. Caught this one off the 1 hour time frame. A little very, very late, but you know, caught some pips, and I'm happy with it. So that's that. All right. So I caught it real late. Got me some pipperoos. Let me show you that one so you can kind of see it. Wish I would have caught it way earlier off the one, because look, I got 29 pips, and this is going to happen sometimes. Sometimes you're away from your charts, whatever happens. So for what I caught there, that would have been another 21 pips. So that would have been 50 pips instead of 29. That would have been 50 pips. I did move my stop loss into below my entry, so in case it pulls back, I'm still good to go. And then there's one more. So that's 29 pips, and then it's Friday, by the way, so I'm just, you know, not tripping on trying to jump in more. There was one more that I like, but it didn't play out yet, and that's this one. So I'm negative 18 pips on this one. It is showing me what I'm looking for on the higher time frame. Right here, it's showing me what I'm looking for. So I'm going to hold that one, see if it just remains in that little range, because that's what it's actually doing, is ranging. And typically when the range is done, and it's done, and it's done, boom, you have a massive breakout. So that's what I'm hoping for, is a massive breakout out of this range to the bottom zone. If it does do that, man, pretty money, pretty money. Let me show you an example where it did that before. See this? See that range? Boom, 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 and just stay stuck in that range for a little bit. But then when it dropped out of that range, came all the way down to create 538 pips and never comes back. So that's what I'm hoping it does here, that it keep retesting this range just for verification that it's at the bottom of support. And then if it does, I'm just going to hold that one for a long time until it comes and do like this one. Because again, look, if you would have caught it out the range, just held it right here up in this area to here, that would have been 574 pips on this one trade just by holding it after it breaks out of the range. So either it breaks out of the range or it hits my stop. If it hits my stop, it's cool. Small amount for a huge reward. Okay. So anyway, that's what I got for y'all this week. And so if you haven't gotten a trading system, I'm telling you, you're just missing out on money. You're making trade hard. You're making it hard. And y'all can go out there and keep trying to see if those bootleggers who's trying to, you know, shove off the fake version on you guys, go ahead, and they're hacking your computer. And I told you, stop doing it, but some of y'all still doing it. That's fine. But if you want the real version and to be in class with me every single week, which by the way, I got something fire to show you students this week coming up on our Tuesday class. So make sure to attend. But, you know, hey, it's here to get this easy money. All right. Peace Enjoy your weekend. Be blessed. And let's keep getting this money.